Viewers all over the world, for some of you that are seeing me for the first time, what more if Eze-Ana Ugochi to or if they Abu Money seen to Aja Ugochi to go to temple. I didn't bar for bar family, me look as all more the teacher. Abu Gaz Money seen to Aja, not another restoration evangelical mission. Brilliant Basso than an evil. So you can call me a priest or than an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Yes, I'm an ancient high priest. Now, let's dive into today's lecture. Today's lecture is 4 cardinal points and 4 cardinal elements. Gede ka anyị na-ekwu maka ya. Anyị na-ekwu achịkọwala gị etu Chukwu Okike si wee kee ụwa in creation. Anyị gwara gị na this particular gross material world were 4 cardinal points. That is the foundational base of this entire creation. I was again this particular gross material world were 4 cardinal points: the east, the west, the north, and south. Yes. Where the elemental beings that is manning this goalpost. Yes. Everything created by Chukwu Okike well, yes. In this gross material world, is it indeed Ndanyang, Ndimiri, Ndana, and well, more than all these cardinal points. Yes, and by the time you align yourself and make yourself friends, become friends, align yourself with this one than a Josie, Nangaraba, non there. A man on here gathered again. Ekpokondi kuku hazagi, Pokondi Anyang Wazagi, Pokondi and Hazagi, Pokondi Miri Hazagi. Can he build a personal relation with these cardinal elements? They are here before man. They know road. Follow who know road. These elemental means and cardinal points understand how things work in creation. So pay attention. I keep saying it. What you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. Now, in the month of July, our group ritual for the month is still ongoing. Nation to go in the temple, go for all over the world. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission, and the consecrated group. To a make it the last of the month. I get in a million Chuaja, if on need. When a temple, Chuaja to entities of powers. Then even Chuaja Buim, Mesaraka. One that Chuaja, Makanaja carried over. Yes. So I'm only interested in this one. I won't through ritual. He gave me chat me on WhatsApp, forward your 3 prayer requests, make token donation to their card number. Chat them on WhatsApp, and what other details we need for you in order to. Now, I want to know what I'm doing when I talk about our family. No WhatsApp number is 0805 7837 or 0813 8243 871. In our screen, gig of numbers in that one. Now, let's dive into today's lecture. In this gross material, monagema. Ne pillars, the cardinal pillars, ne any structure. Yes, and any structure the foundational base will not stand. When you foundational base, where man wire with 4 cardinal points. East, west, north, and south. And those east, west, north, and south well, elemental beings and the entities of powers that are in charge of those points. The same way, Ojebruna, any country opener, well, guards, the man their exit points. Yes, it's according in creation. Agwagwange Nambido, Nankuzin the Nenya before. Now, earthly governance is the prototype of what is happening in the spiritual realm. No, na ihe ọbụla ị na-afụ na-eme n'ụwa nke anyị ji anya afụ. Asị m na ụdị ihe yiri ihe a na-eme na mmụọ. Nọọ nke a na-eme na mmụọ ka mmadụ si wee kọpịrị nke ọ na-eme n'ụwa. So, ngwa gị na-enwere ndị cardinal points ị tụtara na-anụ east, west, north, and south. Ihe a bụ the exit point in creation. And na-enwere entities of powers ndị na-ama anị ya. Now, these cardinal points are zoned into 4 because 4 represents total balance. 2 is not properly balanced, 3 is not properly balanced, but 4 totally balanced in creation. You kwesịrị ịma. Imagine the balancing of motorcycle or bicycle to compare balancing of a car with 4 legs. So Chukwu Oge kechara wee zone ha into 4 cardinal points. Though enwere sub units inside each point. Like I thought the upon anyanwụ, that including the sun, the moons, the stars, and rest of them, and the other light regions and the kingdoms. Cardinal is not under the sun element, the fire. Now that sun element are there. And we the water elements. The water elements are also there. That include the water sprite, the marmots. Then the soil element, that include the stars. Then we got the air element, salamanders. And we got the earth element, the gnomes that are there. And we got the herbs, the masalo plants. All those are 4 cardinal elements. All about the Igbo na-ekwu ara asị gị anyanwụ, ndị mmiri, ndị ikuku na aja. All these 4 cardinal points, and with these 4 cardinal points, it can connect any powers that be. It can use way as a contact point. And do you know that even the salamanders, then are all unique? If you build personal relation with one week, build a personal relation with one, you can send the message. You can send the message you no number Germany, more nobody or you or if Hamu. Macanono no they kume. In fact, before you hear echo 4 cardinal elements involved. Before you have name ways. So begin today to recognize 4 cardinal elements. Whenever you want to plant a crops, 1, you have to liaise with the land element by cultivating the land, by treating the land, making your ridge. You have already consulted the land element. Then you now plant whatever you want to plant there. You still need the sun element, the sun energy to radiate on that your crops, for that crops to germinate. The same way, it still need the water element. It need water. Yes. Water need to water that particular ridges for the plants in order to germinate. Obrona equal any form of water in that your soil. Believe in me, whatever you plant will not do well. It might not even germinate because of hot weather. Water elements is involved. Let me tell you what will shock you if you don't know that what he even plant, for what he plant to do well, he need air, he need oxygen, he need air elements. Yes. Come on, that. I'm here, but I get weed. He already correct. I want to go get you may weed. They move see I hear the gas in here. All the purpose to allow air, enough energy to be able to go down to the root of whatever you plant in order to have a bountiful harvest. Come that, but for the name of I got here they may in creation. Only will palm tree. Yes. If you know what go all the unkept or say foul. All you can do when I will go see KJ for ihe eji efu akwa ahụ efuo ya ka ikuku nwee ike penetrate ya ka o wee bido fọba akwụ. Mana ọ dị unkept, ahịhịa ndị izi ihe igbogiri chu everywhere, it cannot be able to do well. The same way, if you plant something, it did not take off the weeds and everything, do the right and clear all the unnecessary things, so that enough energy na abịa. So if na even for ihe kọrọ na n'ime ọfụma, need these 4 cardinal elements to be at work. The same thing goes to your own life. You need them. 4 cardinal elements in your life. So learn how you can connect yourself with these 4 cardinal elements. It's very possible. Once you build personal relation with your supernatural forces, they will link you with your other forces. Let me paint another picture for you to understand. I want to have a family owner. Yes, family. Or where a particular person who a friend to one of your siblings. And this year, the friend to one of your siblings is too good. On a mellow your siblings, he hope on orchard. And your siblings na been a family now how good this friend there to her. They told she go see for Nanya Zuluke. Naturally, she saw Eze-Ana, that's your friend to your sibling now, Mama Salo friend there. It will not take time. The whole family members will begin to love this friend. Makihina, Eze-Ana, Pasonye Nkono. To according. Once you build personal relation with Morgan Hasu, your cardinal elements. Before you know it, you become friends with those 4 cardinal elements. Example, even 1 million, even 1 ajan. Get and dim midigadinama, get ajan adinama. I can tell you without missing words. Now, by so doing, Ajana is proud of you, Dimri is proud of you. I can tell you they will begin to give testimonies of your goodness to other remaining Ndanyang na Ndikuku. And before you know it, Ndikuku will begin to love you. Ndanyang will begin to love you. If you call Ndikuku, because you need to go build a personal relation. Because no, so begin to know and learn how to build personal relation with your cardinal points. Agwadomono no onye obana no n'ụwa nwere 2 direct elements. And with 2 direct elements. Yes. Then where's the indirect? And with direct and 2 indirect, you'll be able to have connection with 4 cardinal elements. If you know how things work. Or the possible na ga abon wa jan. Boro nwa ikuku at the same time. Yes. Then the link, indirect link with Anyang and the Dimri. Very possible. Aquagon the simple idea you are much. In what he keep on Yamuro bossy. Maybe you was earlier. Imadogona a link with the Dimri. Man, what he can do the permutation of your spiritual number. If one in well link with Utiafo. Man can make score he got about that match. Na mmadụ will link to 2 elements. It is we want 2 coins of 2 sides in 1 coin. Then other remaining 2 elements, you still have link with them indirectly. But you have to with recognition. So begin today to recognize your elements and make peace. Be at peace with your 4 cardinal elements. In what they catch Rajanana will cook you. Kara Bodo na Bagamba, Nazo Okunana. Also Okunana, also Okunana Chubia. Macanana, both Ebony and Soto what. You doing danos, the gnomes, Hajerugozia. No, I may want to do as long as one has stepping on this mother earth. Because Nanagana that Namanaga Badogok. Ada abati also. Ito akọọdụ kwa gị na ndị ikuku dị na mma. Ikwubi okwu. Ọgwụ no so powder ka iji kwubicha okwu. funny one day could have rose here, no cold will there to us. Oh, because as long as the person is breathing in and breathing out. But not because of the power of these elements. It you can face the east and communicate the word water of the sun. Now, the power of sun energized up to that point. It's according to me. Oh, you don't know what I'm doing. Or pipe bore water, or stream water. Water is water because all of them are underground water. Yes. So what am I saying in essence? Learn how to build personal relation with your 4 cardinal points, 4 cardinal elements, and begin to communicate to these 4 cardinal points and elemental beings, and begin to see the wonders of nature. Always recognize the air elements. Very important. Because they have been here in existing before man was created. These elemental beings have been there here in this gross material world. But one mother. So they sabi all the road. They know the world's secret. Stop lamenting, stop crying as someone without hope. I'm encouraging you, admonishing you today. Never give up. Whether you are trying to liberate yourself, but it's not working, don't give up. Giving up is coward act. Believe that once there is life, there is hope. Keep working hard. Don't be lazy. Keep working hard. Keep building personal relation with their spiritual forces. Never you follow multitude to do evil. Don't think that all evil people are succeeding. I can tell you without missing words. I can tell you for free that what they are thinking or seeing as if they are succeeding is nothing. They are not succeeding anything. Joshua. Na ị ga-agbarịrị mbọ align onwe with the supernatural forces. It's not ide mee ihe ọjọọ because others are doing it. Maka na oke kọrọ usoro ngwere ma mmiri ọkọcha ngwere ma aka oke. Ka nkwụsị ebe a. Inwe ajụjụ na nkụzi a and the importance of linking and aligning yourself with the elemental beings. Agwakwana gị in my previous lectures. Learn how to do meditation and spiritual exercise. It will help you to always communicate with your forces, and it will help you to be getting message from them. Whenever you occupy your mind with hustling and bustling, noisy every time, you don't have time to take yourself to a quiet place for meditation. You will lose the point because you're very important. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805783772 or 08138243 871. Screen gig of numbers in that. May the blessing of Chukwuoke Premier be with you all. May you be protected, may you be favored. Now Chukwuoke Premier Kemesian Asylum or Macamelon.